Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to hard reset the Honor MagicPad 4 through settings. Before we start, I'll talk about backing up your device, as your tablet probably stores personal information you might want to keep. If you don't care about this, skip forward by about 6 to 7 minutes. For those who do want to back up their data, there are a couple different ways. I'll start with the more convenient but less preferred option, Google Backup. Go to Settings, then System and Update, then Backup and Restore. In here, you can back up to Google. You can toggle it on, and this backs up to the free 15 GB tier. Google backs up calendar, contacts, Gmail, Google Play Movies and TV shows, apps, photos, and SMS, MMS messages. App backup only works for applications that came from the Play Store. Apps from outside the Play Store, like from GitHub, are ignored. Even if an app came from Play Store but is no longer available, it won't be restored because Google never actually backs it up. Honor has additional and better backup options. Device Clone is an application that creates a copy of your data. For this, you'll need a second device, and it's primarily designed to help you move to a new Honor device. It allows you to send data from an old device or receive it on a new one. Device Clone only works between Honor devices. If you're moving data to a different brand, download that brand's transfer app, like Smart Switch for Samsung. These apps allow you to move all applications, photos, videos, messages, and contacts without ever touching the cloud. This means your data stays yours and never gets uploaded. You can also use this to back up to an old device and later restore by reversing the process. Now we can reset our device by going to Settings. In Settings, select System and Update, then Reset. Choose Reset Tablet. It will show you a list of data that will be removed and which accounts will be signed out. And since we backed up our device, this doesn't matter. If you have a screen lock, you'll need to confirm it. You'll also see an option to back up to Honor Cloud, but this locks you into the Honor ecosystem. Select Reset Tablet to begin the factory reset. The process takes about 1 to 2 minutes. The process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.